So let's take a closer look at how this works. So to turn the bottle on and off, you're gonna hold the power button for 3 seconds, and you're gonna get a haptic feedback alert when the bottle's powered on, and you'll see the screen illuminate. Press the plus or minus buttons to adjust the temperature. In order to disconnect the electronic base, you're gonna see the locking indicators on the side, and you're gonna twist the control pod and remove it from the vessel. Portable Milk Warmer Pro is actually the first milk warmer on the market where you can actually switch the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit by pressing the plus and minus buttons for 2 seconds. Pressing the power button 3 times allows you to lock the touch controls, so if you're gonna throw the device in your bag and go about your day, you can make sure that you're not gonna be inadvertently adjusting the temperature on your water or breast milk. To activate formula prep mode, you're actually gonna press the power button 5 times, and the water in the bottle will automatically heat to safe temperature, and it will indicate with a haptic feedback alert when it's done. It's critical that you have the ability to keep the device clean and safe for the next use, especially when you're warming breast milk. We're gonna use that discrete button on the back, hidden under the logo. Tap it 5 times, and the water will come to a boil, generating steam, and the bottle will indicate when the cycle is complete. On the lid, you'll find a locking switch with clear indicators. We put a lot of effort into making sure that our device is not only capable of preparing a great bottle anywhere you might be, but it also factors in all those little nuances that matter to parents.